Understanding the phrase, crafting. Hello, dear learners. Today, we are diving into the world of the English language to understand the phrase, crafting. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of what it means and how you can use it in various contexts. When you hear the word, crafting, what comes to mind? Maybe knitting, sewing, or making things with your hands. That's right. At its core, crafting refers to making something by hand. This could be anything from pottery, to woodworking, to creating jewelry. It's all about creating something with skill and care. In a broader sense, crafting is not limited to just tangible items. It can also mean designing or formulating something with care and attention. For example, crafting a plan means developing a well-thought-out plan. Crafting a response implies that one is taking time to formulate a thoughtful answer. This shows how versatile the English language is, where one word can have multiple meanings based on the context it's used in. Now, let's see how crafting is used in daily conversations. 1. She spent the weekend crafting beautiful jewelry for her friends. 2. The team is crafting a strategy for the upcoming marketing campaign. 3. With his words, he is crafting a compelling story. These examples help illustrate the versatility of the word, showing that it can be used in various scenarios, both literally and figuratively. And there we have it. Crafting is a versatile phrase in the English language, encapsulating the essence of creating, designing, and formulating. Whether you're making a piece of art or drafting a well-thought-out plan, remember this phrase. We hope you found this explanation helpful, and now you can confidently use crafting in your conversations. Happy learning!